You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Ariya. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.